Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create a route in Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Strava application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what we can do is go ahead and open up the App Store on our mobile phone. Open up your App Store and search for Strava. From there you want to find the Strava application, find it, install it and open it up. So once you're ready we can get started opening it up, and now we can log into our account that we want to use with the application. So go ahead and log in with your account that you want to use for tracking your accomplishments, and now once we are logged in we are going to go and be greeted by this home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started. As you can see here, we can go ahead and enter our activities, we have our maps, we can take a look at the routes we can follow and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how we can go ahead and make our own route that we are going to go and be using. And to go ahead and create our route, what we're going to do is go ahead and open right here at the bottom of the screen. We have the sections we can access, and one of them is going to be called maps. So once you open up maps, this is now going to go enable you to go ahead and open up your maps section. And from here, as you can see, now we have an option that says create route. So right here at the right side screen, you have an option that says create route, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and create your own route. But as you can see, for this you're going to need a premium version of Strava. So currently I do not have that, but if you've purchased a premium version of Strava, you can just click the create route button. This is going to enable you to create any route that you want. Then you can share it with your friends, you can follow it along and so on, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.